What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to add Grammarly in Word document. So let's get started. So firstly, just go to your Grammarly app or the website, and then you'll be redirected over here, which is Grammarly's let's say home screen. Now what you're gonna do is on your left hand side you'll be having the options which says my Grammarly trash account app. So just go to app and make sure that this one is downloaded, or let's say installed in it. If this Grammarly for Windows is not installed, then just install it and it will look something like this. Then what you're gonna do is just go to your Word like this, and then open a blank document and just have a random text like this. And now you can see on your bottom right corner you'll be having the Grammarly's option, or let's say the icon. Just press on it and then sorry, like this, and press on it, and now you can see it will ask you to correct it. So like just tap it, accept, and then tap again, accept it, tap, accept. This is how you can add Grammarly in Word. So that's pretty much guys, that's how we do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.